Hi, I'm Lauri Kane. I'm the wife of Dean Kane, and for 35 years we've been practicing plastic surgery together, he being the surgeon, me being the administrator. And when we started our practice, I was really adamant about not portraying Dean as this sexy plastic surgeon, where when you open up most websites, you see this 20-something and they have this perfect body and I just was trying to come up with what is our logo? How are we going to project ourselves as a couple that are wholesome and caring about the human form without having to make it a sexy form? And so we really worked hard at really believing that your image and your outlook are related to your mind and your body, and that they go hand in hand, and that changing the body and having a sophisticated image was important to us. So she actually was the image that we used in our logos, in which to me she just has a beautiful art form without looking sexy. And that was our goal, and I think we've maintained this for 35 years in terms of the husband and wife team duo that has given a wholesome approach to our practice and to his artwork.
Thank you.